Hello. Dangerous weather, 天氣. Some weather can be dangerous. We describe 形容 some weather conditions below 名詞人眾數. Below that can cause damage and even hurt you. Whenever you encounter dangerous weather, be sure to ask your parents and teachers what to do and follow their instructions. 跟住佢哋嘅 instructions follow. Thunderstorms, 名詞眾數，數唔到名詞. When moist, warm air rises rapidly, a thunderstorm can form. And thunderstorms 名詞人眾數 bring high winds, heavy rain, lightning, sometimes hail. 數到名詞，數唔到名詞，數唔到名詞，數唔到名詞。Thunderstorms appear all around on the planet every day ever. 記得要分開。如果形 every day 可以黐埋嘅，當形容詞用嘅時候 ，everyday activities。黐埋係一個 ADJ， 分開係個 ever， 句頭句尾 every day 要分開。They can form at any time, but most often form in the afternoon and evening during warm seasons. And thunderstorms can be very dangerous. 你唔中意用 very dangerous 咪 terribly. Lightning. From thunderstorms kill more people every year than tornadoes do. 龍捲風 tornadoes. Lightning is a powerful blast of electricity that can form in thunderstorms and strike, 攻擊 strike the earth with a powerful force. In order for lightning to occur,為咗 for lightning to occur, first high winds within a thunderstorm can cause 係導致。佢嘅同義詞係 lead to 導致。Ice and water particles to pump up against each other at high speeds. And this causes a charge, 充電啊 a charge to build up. And the top of thunderstorm is positively charged. 一個 B 加 PP adverb 可以擺喺 PP 前邊加強語氣。But the bottom of the thunder builds up a negative charge. 正負極 positive, negative. And once the negative charge builds up to a certain point, it will discharge 放電啦 discharge at once 立刻即係 immediately. In the form of a lightning bolt. Since objects on the ground are also positively charged, the lightning can often strike an object on the ground. A lightning will often hit the highest point on land. 土地. It is also attracted to metal. During a lightning storm, be sure to get inside. Don't stand under a tree or hold something metal like a metal umbrella or golf club. Also, 而且唔中意用 also 可以用 moreover 或者 in addition. Be sure to get out of water. Do not swim. Be sure 命令句開頭慳字，唔再需要提個 subject， 因為我指住你講啊嘛。Do not swim in the pool during a thunderstorm. Hurricanes are huge, powerful storms that form out over the ocean. They can be up to 600 miles wide. Hurricanes can bring winds, heavy rain, floods, and a storm surge from the ocean and cause terrible devastation. Devastation 即係 damage 破壞。Hurricanes form in the summer and fall. When the water in the ocean is warm, hurricanes get their energy from the warm ocean water, which 一個 relative pronoun 形容緊之前嘅名詞 must be 80 degrees Fahrenheit. 有個溫度嘅 hurricanes 形成嘅時候 ，hurricanes get their high winds from spinning around the center of the hurricane called the eye 風眼，我哋叫 typhoon， 佢哋叫 hurricane. They spin due to Coriolis force of the planet spin, and the wind is usually calm at the very center. 風眼中間係冇風，跟住我哋沿住個風眼不停咁轉。Hurricane 通常喺北半球都係向東南西東面形成，喺大海形成，吹向西北邊嘅，有個 force 喺度本身。So but just outside the center, steadily winds of 80 to 150 miles per hour can be found. Tornadoes 龍捲風 香港冇龍捲風，陸地先有龍捲風，好平嘅地先會有 tornadoes。Tornadoes are violent columns of wind that spin very fast. They extend from the bottom of the thunderstorms to the ground and can have winds of up to 300 miles per hour. Tornadoes are smaller than hurricanes and form over the land rather than the sea. They get their energy from large thunderstorms. Tornadoes that form over the water are called water spouts. And before a tornado touches the ground, it is called a funnel cloud. 龍捲風係會轉完將啲嘢升上天空，跟住走，跟住跌翻落嚟。龍捲風通常喺美國一啲平地、陸地形成，我哋亞洲區好少龍捲風。龍捲風係嚟得快，走得快。颱風會維持長啲嘅時間，因為好大嘅雲層嘅風，會有氣壓嘅變化。再講多次，喺亞洲區，我哋北半球區 typhoons 通常係喺大海度形成30零度，跟住由東面直去西北邊，所以通常會向我哋呢方面吹。一進入到內陸咧，嗰啲風會越嚟越細。今日重點想講命令句 ：Do not swim, be sure。命令句命令人做嘢或者命令人唔做嘢係唔需要 subject 噶啦，直接動詞開句。Go to school now， 亦都係 full stop，sorry，exclamation mark， 直接動詞開句，乜嘢 tenses 都唔搞。Don't stand under a tree， 叫人做，叫人唔做，各作兩句俾我。命令句直接動詞開頭，唔轉 tenses。命令句嘅特色就係咁簡單。有冇今日幫到你？拜拜。